Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be changing the battery of the RCZ key fob. Alright, here's what we're going to need. The car, the key, this other key, the battery, and another car, and then a screwdriver. So the second key is actually just a shell. It was supposed to be new buttons and everything, but it kind of didn't fit and stop. Stop that now. Okay, so the first step is to remove the keyring like that, and then you want to grab the flat blade screwdriver and just find the opening at the bottom, plop it in, and just give it a twist until you hear it click. Alright, nice. So I'm just going to pause it right here. So what you're not going to want to do is press that button or the key at all, because it will just explode everywhere and I'm not helping you put them back together, alright? Cool. Now the top's off, we're going to look at the back of the board, and that is actually where the battery is. The battery itself is actually a CR1620. The numbers themselves are actually random. They are the diameter and the height of the battery. And if you're not sure which battery to get, it does actually say in the owner's manual, or if you just look at the battery itself, it should be on there. Now with the battery changed and making sure it's the right way up, you're going to flip it over into the other side of the case now and squeeze it together and it should click.